The sky is dark and heavy. Rain clouds gather. The compound is quiet after the burial ceremony. Amara sits on the ground beside the grave, her large, pregnant belly
Obina,
visible.
you promised not
Her
to leave
three
me
children
alone.
cling to her wrapper.
Mama,
Her
is
eyes
Daddy
are swollen
sleeping?
from crying. The atmosphere is cold. Mama Obina sits like a judge while family members surround her.
Our son is gone. Everything he owned belongs to this family.
Mama, what are you saying? This is my home. I have 4 children for your son.
You brought him bad luck. Since you entered this house, our son has now no peace.
Pack your things and leave! Tight! Till now, cheat.
I have to get these clothes for the children.
Amara, what are you doing?
Chike, please, the children need these.
Give me that bag!
No!
Chike, stop! Leave everything! This house belongs to Abra! Get out!